This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Honkai Star Rail on GeForce Now. First, you will need to set up your GeForce Now account. This involves either creating a new one or logging into an existing profile. Make sure your internet connection is robust, ideally with a speed of at least 50 megabits per second for the best experience. Then, download and install the GeForce Now application on your preferred device, whether it's a PC, Mac, or mobile device. Finally, link your HoYoverse account to GeForce Now to access the game. Once your GeForce Now setup is complete, launching Honkai Star Rail is straightforward. Simply open the GeForce Now application on your device. Navigate to the game library and use the search bar to find Honkai Star Rail. After locating the game, select it and click the play button to initiate your gaming session. There might be a brief waiting period as the game loads and establishes a connection to the HoYoverse servers, but you will be exploring the cosmos in no time. To ensure the best possible experience while playing Honkai Star Rail, consider optimizing your GeForce Now settings. You can adjust the streaming quality within the GeForce Now application to find a balance between visual fidelity and performance. For maximum stability, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your device to free up valuable bandwidth. Finally, select the GeForce Now server region closest to your physical location to minimize latency and improve responsiveness. Even with the best setup, you might occasionally encounter minor issues. If you experience any problems, a simple restart of the GeForce Now application often resolves them. Should performance suddenly drop, check your internet speed and stability to rule out connection issues. Always ensure your HoYoverse account is correctly linked and active within GeForce Now. For any persistent or complex technical problems, do not hesitate to reach out to GeForce Now's dedicated support team for assistance. Happy trailblazing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.